Hey y'all, so I'm doing a Outre Sleek Delilah wig, 34 inches. I'm just showing y'all the natural parting because it is a natural laid part, but I did go in and pluck it, and I also added some silk elements on top of it. That's just gonna hold it until I get some control spray because this is a synthetic unit. Also, don't mind my hair because your girl braids is mad old, and I ain't feel like taking them down just to do my hair all the way over again. So I'm gonna slick that down and put my cap on and start to put some powder on top of it so I can make sure everything is blended under the wig because that part is like mad see-through and you don't want it to look ashy. So yeah, once I do that, I'm gonna slide that wig on top of my head and it's gonna be looking lumpy. So now I'm finna smooth all the hair back, the edges, and then proceed to cut the lace in zigzag motions. Once I do that, I like to take the baby hairs and I also like to smooth them out with a little bit of mousse so I can see how everything gonna start to lay before I put them got to be glued and some wax stick on top of it. With the wax stick, I like to go in with that first because I can finish moving everything out, and then I use the got to be glue spray to like lay down my edges around the edges where I just cut that lace off. That's why I sprayed it, and then I use my scarf to melt it in. Now I'm taking my unplugged because I can't change the dials on my pressing comb. I like to unplug it and then I like to melt it in because it's mad hot, so you don't want your unit to melt. Just blend everything together like so, and everywhere I put that wax stick, I'm just gonna smooth it out and make sure it lay and it don't look synthetic. So once again, I'm going up in here with my edge brush and I'm gonna lay my edges down. Then I'm gonna put some powder in my part to blend everything out. And this is the final look. It took me some time because I didn't think it was gonna look right, y'all, but it came out perfect because I don't wear glue on my edges. It's not anything wrong with it, I just don't prefer it. And once again, I'm gonna put some of the silk elements on top of my wig because I want to make sure that everything gets smoothed out and won't get, you know, ragged, I guess. I don't want it to look raunchy, so I'm just gonna smooth everything out and then go from there. And yeah, this is the final look.